guys, it's Brittany here from Mathletics Box, and I am so excited to share with you what we're currently working on. But before I do that, I want to remind you what Mathletics Box is all about. So Mathletics Box provides educational math resources for kindergarten through 5th grade learners to enhance their math understanding and math engagement through hands-on and fun interactive activities. So we're currently creating and developing math boxes for kindergarten through 5th grade, and those math boxes will be available very soon. So make sure that you are following us on all of our social media platforms. Now, I want to share with you a quick tip about how you can build your child's number sense, how they can connect to math. We believe at Mathletics Box that the best way to learn math is to do math. That means to build their number sense or their understanding and connection to numbers. They may need to touch something, feel something, taste something, smell something. You really want to connect to the senses. That is the way that your child is going to best learn math. Remember, there are some concepts out there mathematically that are abstract. So the best way to help your child connect to that is to give them something to manipulate. So since we are in the spirit of the holidays of Valentine's Day, even if you don't celebrate Valentine's Day, you're at least exposed to it. So one simple thing that you can do, an inexpensive thing that you can do and utilize, are candy hearts. Now, candy hearts are very inexpensive. You can get them from the Dollar Tree. They will be going on sale soon because Valentine's Day will be over, right? So you can get some candy hearts. Your child probably already has them. And this is something that they can use to connect to math. So one way that your child can simply use is by simply guessing or estimating how many candy hearts they have in the box, right? We want them to use this math language, math vocabulary, like estimation, right? So I wonder how many candy hearts I have in my box, right? The element of surprise. You can even make it a game. If you guess something correct, maybe give them an incentive, something that is going to encourage them to connect to math. You can simply find out by opening the box, having them count, right? Counting is definitely an important foundational skill. That is something that we use as teachers. I'm a 3rd grade teacher. That is something that is very important. You want your child to be able to count. You want them to be able to count on. You want them to be able to skip count. You want them to be able to skip count by 2s, 4s, 5s, 10s, and this is a great way for them to practice counting. You can also have your child sort the candy hearts. You can have them sort them by colors, by characteristics as far as vowel letters or the beginning letters, being able to sort them in that way. So that's one way that you can have your child connect to math, by using candy hearts. Another way is you can have your child build addition and subtraction number sentences and math equations, right? So if I have 2 hearts plus 5 hearts, that equals 7, right? Or you can have them use that with subtraction as well. It depends on what your child needs help in, but you really just want them practicing and doing something and really keeping their minds active and connecting to numbers. Another way is you can have them build number sentences through multiplication and division. Now remember, you want your child to be able to solve problems using all 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So if your child is in 3rd through 5th grade, they should be able to build number sentences and math equations based off of these candy hearts, right? So they can have 2 groups of 3, which equals 6. They can even practice division. Okay, I have 12 candy hearts. If I divide them into 4 groups, then that equals 3. That is my quotient, right? So that is something that you want them to practice, okay? That is a great way for them to be able to do that. Also, something that they can practice is fractions. Fractions are abstract to most students, right? They need to be able to feel it. They need to be able to visualize fractions. So candy hearts are a great way for your child to utilize that. They can take the candy hearts and they can say, okay, 4/20 of my candy hearts are blue. or 7/20ths of my candy hearts are purple. If I were to add those fractions together, then that would be 11/20ths. Okay, so there's all different kind of ways that you can allow your child to connect to math. And one last way that you can allow your child to connect to math using candy hearts is to integrate math with reading and writing, right? They can create their own word problems using these candy hearts that you all can solve together as a family. And this is a great way for you to see how your child comprehends math. This is a great way to see how they write, if they are writing for understanding, right? So this is a great way for you to provide feedback, a great way for you to engage and connect with your child. I can't wait for you to experience Mathletics Box math boxes. They are coming to you soon, so make sure you are following us on all social media platforms. I'll see you soon. Bye.